Hi, I'm Michael. I'm a landscape architect and environmentalist. And today we're going to be talking about Schefflera and how you can use it in your yard down here in South Florida. So Michael, ready to dig in?
Yeah.
Let's
Go.
So many people have asked about dwarf Schefflera. We're going to be doing a video on that today. And we're going to start here with the Trinette. This is Schefflera arboricola Trinette. And it's got these palmate leaves that Michael is showing for you right now.
It's very pretty.
You like them, right? Schefflera, dwarf Schefflera is native to Taiwan. And they come in a bunch of different varieties. We're going to show folks some of them today. There's just a solid green type, the Trinette. They're also good for houseplants, and we'll do a totally different video on that. So stay tuned for that. They're easy to propagate. We've already done a video on propagating Trinette, but we're also going to show you some of these varieties as houseplants. They're very, very durable. They can grow in sun or shade. They like medium light. He doesn't want to be in the film anymore. They like medium light outside, or inside as well. But like I said, we'll do that in another video. You want to water these outside, all the dwarf varieties, about 3 times a week if you have an automatic irrigation system, or as needed if you have manual. You need to water by hand. The plant will let you know if you're overwatering by the leaves dropping off. They'll do it like a muted yellow, not like this beautiful variegated yellow here, and they'll start falling off, meaning you've got it too wet. So you want to have a nice, well-drained potting soil mix for your plant, and it'll do very well. We'll also show you some pairings of these plants. They go very well with Thai plant as a backdrop, the red sister, that beautiful pink color. And you can also use these as a way to do a low, screening privacy hedge, but only, the regular green arboricola will do better at that. It will grow taller. But these are good in shallow pots. You can do a little accent plant. They handle trimming very well. They're really cool in those kind of conditions where you put them in a pot. You can also layer them with other plants, and in a shady backyard, these plants are great. I always stress a lot of variegated plants because they pop. They get the light catches them, and you get to see them more than just a whole bunch of dark greens in your yard. So what we'll do now is go and look at some more of the dwarf. Again, this is the Schefflera arboricola Trinette. Beautiful, beautiful.
Let's grow.
This is the variegated Schefflera, not the Trinette version. This is Schefflera arboricola variegata, and it gets a little bit taller, and it has similar variegation, right, Michael?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bit different in that it has a lot more green to the leaves. Sorry about my shadow, y'all. But it's really tough. Same type of growing conditions. Does well as a plant in the shade, or even in this one here is at the nursery in full sun. Really cool, huh?
Yeah.
All right, let's go look for some more. Now we're going to go and look for just the Schefflera arboricola, the non-variegated version, to show you. Here we have the Schefflera arboricola, and Michael using it as a scale. Pretty big, right, from the other one we saw. Yeah, you can do great in planters, or or this version of the Schefflera will get easily up to about 7 feet tall. Forms a great, isn't that cool? It's got these aerial roots. Really cool, right? So the plant is really adaptable. And here you can see a comparison of several Schefflera. There's the Schefflera actinophylla, the umbrella tree, which is invasive in South Florida. It has those large palmate leaves. It's in the same genus, and it grows very tall, but it can encroach on other plant communities, and so we have it as invasive, labeled as invasive in South Florida. So it's not to be planted. Here's one that someone had planted in their yard years ago. But below it, you can see just the regular dwarf Schefflera, the Schefflera arboricola, and in comparison to that, the dwarf variegated Schefflera next to it. So just to give you an idea of some of the plants and how they look together. And I'm also going to show you now a comparison of the dwarf Schefflera, the green, versus the Trinette. And there's the regular Schefflera arboricola, non-variegated, mixed in here with the Trinette. You can see the difference, right, Michael?
Yeah.
Big time difference, right? Super big contrast between the two. This green version will get very tall. They're trimming it here as a hedge. Yeah, there's Michael showing you a comparison. These leaves will get even bigger and darker as they grow. Right.
They look very different.
Don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. This version here, the arboricola, just the dark green. Well, yeah, that one will get up to like 8 or 9 feet tall. But this one here, the Trinette, well, will only get to about 4.5 feet tall. We had some in our Miami Shores home behind our pool, and a planter does really well. Here's a photo of our Trinette growing in a planter at our pool in Miami Shores. We shaped it into an half moon shape because we wanted to create some interest and also screen the back alley. And a real cool thing about the 3 Scheffleras we're talking about today is that they can easily be trimmed and shaped into various forms, or you can just let them grow in their loose shape and have this nice informal look to them. Very versatile plant. Now we're going to switch over and show you some detailed written care instructions for each of the dwarf Scheffleras, and then I'll come back and summarize at the end. So we hope you had a good time today. And what are you going to remind them about?
Make sure to like and subscribe if you like our content, and turn on the notification bell.
Right. All right. Until next time. Bye.
And share the video with your family or friends.
Thank you for that. Thanks, everybody. Bye. If you found value in this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We post weekly. Thanks.